So for those of you that joined us last year, you know we actually gave away a car at the 2021 Holden Cookout. I wanted to do it my whole life, and tickets were $50. We had a whole bunch of people enter, and the guy that won is still driving that car today. To do it again this year, so here it is, the 2022 Holden Cookout giveaway car. Now it's the same routine as last year. Tickets will be just $50. You can buy as many as you'd like, and this car has everything done to it that you would do to a V8 car, but hell, somebody did it to a V6, including they put a new motor and transmission in it in 2019. All the paperwork and receipts come with this. All you have to do is enter to win, and you can drive this thing home at the 2022 Midwest Holden Cookout. So a couple details about this car. It is a V6, but someone built it like a V8. Now, cool things, obviously window tinted car, not a bad gig. Someone put it on Petters coilovers, and they are the fully adjustable ones. There's aftermarket everything on this car, including the headlights. Now the headlights were a little tired. We buffed them out, and they should last a little while longer. It's on you if you want to replace them. We did get the fog lights to work on this one. These are notorious for the badge flying off. I may have a badge. It may have a badge when you get here, I don't know. Sean Cawthon's gonna detail the paint and tidy it up before we give it away. You know, window tint, nothing. Just Camaro wheels with the correct Pontiac center cap. The car didn't come with them, but we had one. Aftermarket taillights, and the notorious missing spoiler. This was actually the trunk off my Ute when it was a four-door car, and I had sold the spoiler, but we got a spoiler. It's at the body shop getting painted black to match. Everything will be tidied up by the time you get here, and this is the 2022 giveaway car.